Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Asalaam Alaikum to all of you. This is Shahnawaz Rustamani, and I welcome to all of you at my channel, Knowledge for All Seekers. So, I hope that you all will be fine wherever you are. And today it's our fourth day. Sorry, today is our third day of the course, skill development course. And what we will learn today Today's our topic is very important for all librarians of the world, because this is a topic which use every librarian of the world in every library. Okay, so what is the today's topic? Today's topic is online classification, online tools for classification and cataloging. What are the online tools which are available? Even with the help of these tools, use we don't need to use DDC classification scheme for classification, or we don't need to perform any other task for creating or making our catalogs for our library. Okay, so today we will learn about online tools for classification and cataloging, by which we can classify our library material and make their catalogs very easy. Okay, it will be very helpful for us, and I hope that you will enjoy this video. So let's go to the topic. Okay, what are the online tools which are available? Which online tools are available? Number one, these are the online tools which are available for us to classify our library material and make their catalogs. Okay, so number one, DDC scheme. Everyone knows that what is DDC scheme, but I already mentioned you that you even don't need to use DDC classification scheme for classify the material. I wrote here because this is not a scheme which we use physically. This is a classification scheme which we use online. Okay, this is the online DDC scheme, by which we can just write the title and we will get its classification number. Okay, another is OCLC. This is another tool for library classification. So we can classify our any material, any library material, any book, any journal, any magazine through it. Okay, we just have to write title, or if you have ISBN, then you can write ISBN in this OCLC tool, or if you have any title, or if you have an author, or you have any other such material, by which you can search call number for from this tool. Okay, another is Library of Congress tool. Okay, how we can use Library of Congress library, how we can use Library of Congress catalog, by which we can get classification numbers easily. Okay, so this is a very important tool. There are millions of books, or you can say billions of books are available in this library, and this is a tool which which will be very beneficial for our libraries. Okay, because we will get classification number and catalog of that material very easily. Another is British Library tool. Okay, we can use, because it's also a very big library, and their catalog is very big. Okay, there is large number of material which is available in these libraries. So this is another tool for classify our library material and to make catalog also. Okay, so now we are going to use in these tools practically, that how we can get classification number of any book. Okay, so let's start. We will go in our browser. Okay, you have to write, we are using number one, OCLC. Okay, you have to write classify dot OCLC dot org. Okay, classify dot OCLC dot org. We are using this online tool for classification. Okay, you have to write classify dot OCLC dot org, and just you have to enter here. So you can see that our website is open, and this online tool is for classify our library material. You can classify books, you can classify audiovisuals, you can classify journals, you can classify magazines, you can classify proceedings, or any type of material if you have in your library, you can classify from this tool. This is a tool for classify our library material. Look at what is written: classify an experimental classification web service. This is a very important tool and very easy tool for classify classify our material. What you have to write? How we can classify? You just have to write here ISBN number if you have ISBN number of any book, or ISBN number of any other material. If there is available, then you just have to write here, and that particular book's details will be shown, and library classify number will be also shown. Okay, for example, we don't have classification, we don't have ISBN number, then we have to write title and author. Okay, title, author, or even you don't know the author, you just have to write title. For example, we are writing title introduction to computers, for example. Okay, introduction to computers. Okay, we are going to search the classification number of this title. Okay, you just have to write classification, you just have to write the title of the book, and then we will find many things about this. Let's search and get classification number. Okay, click on search. Here it is. This database finds the titles which are related to introduction to computers. See how many titles it has searched: 437 titles related to this phrase, introduction to computers. So we have to find the classification number, then we are going to search title, classification number of, for example, this book, Peter Norton's Introduction to Computers. Okay, click on it. So here it is. Look at here. Class number means classification number. See the title, Peter Norton's Introduction to Computers. Author is Peter Norton. Okay. Editions is 45, 45th. Total holdings are 504. What the main thing we needed here? We need just classification number, and we will copy and paste to our library materials classification location. Okay, so just copy from here classification number and write wherever you want. Okay, This is classification number in edition number 2 of TDC scheme, okay, but the most frequent is this number, okay. So you will copy most frequent number, okay. So we this is how we can get number classification number for this title, introduction to computers, okay. It's very easy, but just you have to practice it. So not only this thing we find from this website, this tool, but we can find subject heading also from this tool. How? Let's see. Just scroll down. See here, subject headings are also there for you. Okay, subject heading for introduction to computer is computer software, computers, or microcomputers. Okay, so this is how you can search your classification number and get classification number for any title. Not even you will find classification number from this site, but you will find also subject heading for that title. So it helps a lot very much for our classification of our library material, okay. So let's do it again once again. Another title, for example, we are going to search, uh, write any title, for example, uh, electrical engi- engineering, okay, and author is Fitzgerald, for example, okay. This is author, this is a title, okay. We are going to search another title. So see here, these are the titles. 11 titles with this author is showing, okay. Electrical engineering by Fitzgerald. We we have to find out just classification number. So just click on title and you will get your classification number very easy. Here it is. This is classification number of this title, okay. So, is it easy? I think it's very easy and very useful title, very useful tool for library classification. Okay, so you have find this call number and whatever what another thing. These are the subject headings for this title. This title, okay, electrical engineering, circuits, machines, and electronics. Okay, these are the subject headings also for this title. You don't have to worry about subject heading also. So you will find subject heading from this. Okay, it's very easy. Just you have to write classify.oclc.org and just write if you have a standard number, ISBN standard number, and write here. Or if you don't know ISBN, just you have to write title. Or if you want to write author also, you will find many books related to that particular title. Okay, it's very easy. It's very easy. You just have to practice it. Okay, so this was the first OCLC, first online classification tool. So how you will make their catalog also, you can find many things very easily about this. You just have to uh, take title from here, okay. You have author here also, okay. So you can write in your catalog also, okay. You don't need to go any other side. You just have to take things and copy and paste there, okay. Just copy this title, just copy authors and other things, and paste it to your catalog. It's very easy, and subject headings are also here for your catalog. Just you have to copy and paste. Okay, it's very easy. So let's go to another source. Okay, now we are going to use Library of Congress catalog. Okay, another tool. Just write catalog dot loc dot gov. This is a website through which we will go in catalog of Library of Congress, okay, which is the biggest library of the world. Okay, just write catalog.loc.gov and enter it. So now we are going in catalog of Library of Congress. Our net connection is very slow, so that's why it's taking some time. It's reading, but because our speed is very slow at the moment, so that's why it's taking time. We have to wait for it. Okay, we are going to open another tool, which is British Library tool. Okay, just go in Google and write here British Library catalog. Okay, it's opening, but it's taking too much time, so we are going for another tool. Okay, okay, at last it's open. So here it is, the catalog of Library of Congress, through which we will find classification number and catalogs. Okay, material for catalog. Okay, so for example, we are uh, writing here another title. Which title? Okay, we are going to use C plus plus. Okay, or object oriented programming in C plus plus. Okay, this is the title. We want the classification number of this title, and just you click on search. Okay, first write and then click on search. So see here how many titles are related to this title. 175. Okay, so select any title if you want any number. For example, we are going to click on this title. We want to get classification number of this title. Okay, just click here and your classification number is this. Okay, see here, Devi decimal number, Devi class number is this. Just remove this slash and your ready-made classification number for this title is available, and the whole catalog is already made. You just have to copy and paste it on your platform. Okay, every details are written for this. If you want to make catalog also, then just copy and paste on your catalog form. Okay, it's very easy. See here, classification number is showing for this title. Title is, where is title? Title is this, object oriented programming in C++. So these are the details of catalog. You have to, if you want to make catalog also, just copy and paste in your catalog. And if you want to get classification number ready made, then classification number is available here. Just copy and paste on your and paste it to your on your book. Okay, it's easy. And if you want to subject heading also, so subject heading is also available here. Okay, this is object oriented programming C++. It related to computer science, and it is related to also computer programming language also. Okay, these are the subject headings. So that's how you can find classification number of any title from Library of Congress catalog. Okay, another one thing you will find from this catalog, you can find mark tags also. Okay, you can find mark tags also, mark tags of this catalog. See here, this whole catalog is written in mark form. Okay, if you want to make mark records of this title also, so then just copy this whole catalog and paste into your mark edit or mark software. Okay, this whole mark tags are written. See here, mark tag of call number is 082, and your call number is also showing here. Subject heading is 650. So see, where is 650? Here it is 650, and your subject headings are here. Okay, so that's how you can find catalog, classification number, and catalogs also. Okay, so if you want to make catalog, then just copy and paste from these fields. Okay, every field is written here. If you want to save directly, then just go and save record. You will get this whole record. Okay, click on save record if you want to save. Okay, so that's how you can classify your library material from Library of Congress catalog. Okay, now we are going another tool, which is British Library tool, British Library catalog. Okay, go in Google and write British Library catalog, and go in the website of this British Library. Okay, explore the British Library, which is explore.bl, means British Library .uk. So you have to click on explore the British Library. So it will take us in catalog of library, British Library. Okay, so you can find your classification numbers and catalog details in this site also. First of all, we have discussed about classify.oclc.com.org, then Library of Congress, and now we are in British Library catalog. It is taking time because our net connection speed is slow, and it's frustrating me because of slowness. So at last we are, our website is open, and here you can write your titles. Okay, now we are in the catalog of British Library, another biggest library, big library of the world. So we are going to search from the main catalog. Okay, we are searching from main catalog. So for example, we are writing any number, any title. So right here, which title? Artificial, for example, we are writing this artificial intelligence. Okay, for example, we are writing artificial intelligence. We are going to get classification number of artificial intelligence, because our speed is slow, so that's why it's taking time. And I hope that it will find very quickly, because yes, it's reading, it's slowly reading. Yes, at last. So see here how many results for this title. 35, 3 lakh, no, yes, 3 lakh 56,910. Okay, so these are the titles. For example, we are going to get classification number of this book. See here, these are journals also. Okay, not only showing books but journals also. This is a book, this is audio material. Okay, this is a book, this is a book, this is also audio material. See the status of. So we are going to find the classification number of this book. Okay, you can find classification numbers of audiovisuals also. So if you don't find from one title, then you have to go for another title also. Okay, so it is showing that this title is belongs to this, and its author is this. So we are going in details. Okay, we are going for details. It is taking time because of net speed. I hope that your speed is good. Your speed will be good. So see here, Devi class number. Okay, so this is a classification of this title. You will find classification number of this title from catalog of British Library. Okay, if you want to see in marked display, you will find all, you can see also. But see here, your classification number is available here. These both are number, both numbers are frequent, so you can take both numbers. Or if you want this number, I think this number is very perfect, so you will find this number. You can copy and paste it to your book. Okay, for classification. So these are the details also. Title is this, author is this, contributors are these, subject headings are also available. Subject headings are information theory, signal processing, information theory, and coding theory. Okay, many details are also available. If you want to see mark display, if you want to see in mark format, then you just have to click on mark display, and it will show in mark form just like this, where we saw in mark text just like this. Okay, just like this is a mark format. Okay, so see here, this whole details are available here. 082 is call number, so here you will find call number here, this and this. So is it not easy? It's very easy. Okay, it's very easy, just you have to practice it. So these are the and if you want to make catalog in mark format also, then just go and copy from here and paste it to your market it or wherever you are making your mark records. Okay, mark catalog. If you want to make catalog from these things, you can find and copy and paste it to your catalog. Okay, title is this, author is also available, and many other details are also available. So these are the tools for classification and cataloging. I hope that you have learned some new things about classification, about cataloging, and I hope that you have understand very much. And if you have not understand yet, so tell me in comments and ask me in comments. Okay, and what we say? Yes, if you have liked this video, then please share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed this channel yet, so please subscribe this channel and also share it with your friends. Okay, I hope that you have understand very much these online classification tools. And that's all for today, and I hope that you have learned a lot and you have learned these new things. Okay, and practice it, because practice makes perfect. Okay, every person who practice a lot, and then practice makes perfect human. Okay, so that's all for today. Inshallah, we will meet in next video. So till then, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.